Hey, what's up everybody? We are putting in a Tyger Auto Brush Guard on our 2009 4Runner. There's not much of an unboxing. It's already been unboxed, so I'm just kind of showing you what I got. I got the actual brush guard in this bubble wrap, a box of hardware and brackets, and it's going on the car now. Here we go. Here's some of that hardware. It's nice that they mark them with a D for driver's side and P for passenger. These are the driver's side brackets. And here's our Alright, so this will go boop up on the car on the driver's side. Then we will put on our this little brace here like that. And then our another bracket will go in here like this. That'll all bolt up together. Here's our passenger side already on the car. We got some, I believe those are 16 millimeter nuts and bolts there. And we had to take off and reuse the 14 millimeter factory bolts there. So pretty much they are just on there on this long stud, and you just loosen them off, which is kind of difficult, but it worked. And then slip that on, one on this side and two over here. Maybe you can see them, I hope. And you got to tighten them back down. Try to get them as tight as you can. I mean, they say on the chart there in the instructions 80 foot-pounds, but I don't know. It's going to have to be by feel because I can't really get a torque wrench up in there. So that's what you do. Here on the driver's side, just wanted to show you real quick. I've got that nut removed, and I'm working on the third one. It is slow going because it's kind of tight in here, and you wouldn't expect it to be so tight, but it is. Alright guys, there it is. Got it installed. Had to do just a little bit of leveling, and I'll probably have to readjust it at some point. There she goes. Not bad. Alright, so that's going to do it for this install. Probably have to look back over it, see if it's tight within a week or two, but should be fine. Wasn't able to really get torque wrenches into places, so you just got to give it the old hand torque. And that will do it. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions, welcome.